Captain Larry on Pacific's Child, Sunday the 16th of September. So today we're going to install a new diesel lift pump and the special little hose with the banjo fittings on it that is needed to put in the new style pump on the Volvo MD-3B. So here we are. We've got oil absorbent pads in the bilge to soak up that any diesel that may spill, keep it out of the bilge. Got a little plastic tray that frozen ravioli came in. It'll hold, oh golly, it'll hold a quarter or two of fuel. We'd probably be lucky to get a few drips, but anyway, we got that there. Got our tools laid out at hand so we can get whatever we need. I had to go buy a new set of metric Allen wrenches. I cannot find the set that I've had for 30 years. I work on all my BMWs and Volkswagens and things that have metric tools. I just can't lay my hands on those. I probably find them buried here in the boat later. So that stalled me last time. So we'll try to swap that out today. I'm not going to set up the camera to show my work doing this because I end up with diesel on my hands and having to go in and out of the companionway or something, and the tripod gets in the way and I don't want to get diesel on the camera and all that. So we're going to forego doing that. It's just too intrusive. But I'll tell you how it works out when we get done. It shouldn't be any big deal. Unfortunately, this engine fuel filter is mounted right above the diesel lift pump, so it may prove to be easier to physically remove that to get more room to work and see what I'm doing than anything else. I'm just too old and not spry enough to get in there and work in the dark. And there's, as you can see, there's through holes, hoses, battery box and stuff in the way, and I like to sit on the battery box, but it means I've got to stoop way over with my head way down. Makes me dizzy. So it's life when you get old. But anyway, we'll do this after quite a bit of troubleshooting and eliminating other possibilities. Leaks on the suction side between the fuel filter and the filter, the primary filter and our secondary filter, whatever you want to call it, the first one on the line in the tank. We didn't end up with anything, so this is what we got to do. So there's $400 worth of stuff sitting right there. The new style pumps are made in Bulgaria or someplace and are not repairable. They're the old ones had a kit, and you just took off some screws, took it apart. You could replace the diaphragm, one of the seals, and one of the valves, and go back to work again. But now we have to throw away everything. So there's industrial progress for you.